Click on the link below to get price. The 3000W Wind Turbine Generator Kit, accompanied by a dual 100W solar panel setup, is an intriguing option for those interested in renewable energy solutions. This kit is designed for versatility, supporting a range of voltage configurations 12V, 24V, and 48V, making it adaptable to various energy needs. At the heart of this kit is the 3000W wind turbine, which is engineered to harness wind energy efficiently. It comes equipped with a charge controller, a critical component that governs the battery charging process, ensuring optimal performance and safeguarding against potential overloads. The inclusion of two 100W solar panels complements the wind turbine, allowing for a hybrid energy generation system that can work effectively in diverse weather conditions. This dual approach can help users maximize their renewable energy output. The wind turbine itself features a compact design that is intended for ease of installation. Users can find it suitable for both off-grid applications or as an additional energy source for existing systems. The turbine is built to endure varying environmental conditions, with materials that help it withstand rust and corrosion, which is particularly important for longevity in outdoor settings. Installation is generally straightforward, and the kit typically comes with all necessary components. However, potential users should familiarize themselves with the installation manual, as proper placement and orientation are essential for maximizing performance. The combined output from the wind turbine and solar panels can be particularly beneficial for those in rural areas or for individuals looking to reduce reliance on conventional power sources. When considering the use of this kit, it is vital to assess your local wind and solar conditions. The efficiency of the turbine will depend significantly on the average wind speed in your area, while the solar panels will produce energy based on the amount of sunlight available. Users might find that performance varies seasonally, which is an important consideration for anyone relying on this system for consistent energy needs. In summary, the 3000W Wind Turbine Generator Kit with the included solar panel setup presents a versatile option for those exploring renewable energy options. By combining wind and solar power, it offers a potentially effective way to generate electricity in various settings. As with any renewable energy system, a thoughtful approach to installation and usage will help maximize its benefits.